Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max, another flagship mobile in this year that we'll discuss about that mobile. Starting with the display, this mobile is going to come with a 6.79 inches of 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision supported, HDR10 Plus supported AMOLED display, which is going to come with a Xiaomi Dragon crystal glass protection, not the corningula glass. When we talk about this mobile's processor, as I already said that this mobile is a flagship mobile 2025. That means this mobile is going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 along with the LPDDR5X RAM type and UFS 4.1 storage capacity. By the way, this mobile is available in different variants. Those are like 12GB and 256, 12GB and 512GB, and also 1TB of internal storage with the 16GB of RAM. So these are the variants. When we talk about the camera, yes, this mobile is going to come with a triple rear cameras. All are 50 megapixel ones, but a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, which is a f1.7 aperture with optical image stabilization, a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with f2.4 aperture and it is a ultra wide angle lens, and a 50 megapixels of telephoto periscopic zoom camera which has f3.0 aperture and it is a also has the optical image stabilization. So we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps with this mobile's back camera. For the front, it comes with a 30 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. We can shoot up to the 4K 60 fps. When we talk about this mobile's operating system, this mobile is going to run on Android version 16 out of the box with the Hyper OS 3.0. When we talk about this mobile's other features like multimedia, this mobile is going to come with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and the most biggest thing in this mobile is the battery. When we talk about this mobile's battery, probably this is the biggest mobile battery I have ever seen till now. That is 7560 milliamps of battery. Obviously a 60 milliamps bigger than the OnePlus 15 which is going to release soon also. So this mobile is going to come with 7560 milliamps of battery, and it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless charge and 22.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. By the way, this mobile is available in different colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below. You can check it out from there with other videos of my channel's links, so you can go and watch them also from there. When we talk about this mobile's production, this mobile comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2, and it also comes with the IP68, not the IP69 resistant, water and dust resistance, just the IP68. That means your phone can survive underwater, but not the 4C water which sprays like jet. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with the connectivity. When we talk about the connectivity, 5G bands, this mobile comes with almost 17 plus 5G bands. And this mobile also comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, Bluetooth 5.4, not the Bluetooth 6.0. And it also comes with the NFC, and it does not skip any sensors, like it comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. So it is a complete glass and metal build body. When we talk about the box contents, yeah, this mobile comes with the mobile itself and a charger, cable, TPU case and SIM ejector tool and quick start guides and stuff like that included in the box of this mobile along with the mobile itself. So these are the features of this mobile included in the box. In the mobile itself. So when we talk about the price range, yes, we all need to know about that, right? According to the news, till now in India, this mobile is going to release with the price tag of 62,000 rupees to 65,000 rupees, in between that price range for the base variant. So we have to wait and see till the mobile releases. By the way, this mobile is going to release in this month. Not sure about the date, but in this month it's going to release with the name of. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button. By the way, I will also leave a link to other videos of my channel here in this icon section, so you can go and watch it out from there also. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's important.